Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to export your bookmarks in Google Chrome and the important difference between being signed in with a Google account versus not being signed in at all. Whether you're switching computers or just want a backup of your bookmarks, this video has you covered first. Let's talk about what happens when you're signed into Chrome with a Google account. You'll usually see your profile icon in the top right corner. When you're signed in and sync is turned on, your bookmarks are automatically saved to your Google account. That means if you log into Chrome on any device, your bookmarks are already there. No manual export needed. You can double check this by clicking on your profile, and you will see there is mention of sync is on, and upon clicking, it will navigate to sync settings. You can select review your sync data. This will show all your sync data with your Google account will transfer over upon sign in. This is super helpful if you change devices or reinstall Chrome. Your bookmarks come right back. But what if you're not signed in? Maybe you're using a guest profile or just prefer not to sync anything with Google. In that case, you'll want to manually export your bookmarks. Profile them selecting sync is on. Here's how to do it. Open Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Hover over Bookmarks and Lists and click on Bookmark Manager or use shortcut Ctrl+Shift+O. Once you're in Bookmark Manager, click the three dots on the top bar. Then click Export Bookmarks. This will save your bookmarks as an HTML file. You can store it safely or import it later into another browser or Chrome profile. If you ever need to bring these bookmarks back into Chrome, go to Bookmark Manager again. Click the three dots on the top bar. Choose Bookmarks and Lists and then Bookmarks Manager. Select the HTML file you saved earlier. Once you're in Bookmark Manager, click the three dots on the top bar. Then click Import Bookmarks. And just like that, your bookmarks are back. Hope this helps you stay organized and keep your data safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.